Thank you. Contestant number 14 is Flourish Odezele from Edo State. Thank you, contestant number 14. Thank you very much. Now, I read in your biography that you love to work with people.
That is correct.
Now, have you ever had to work with people who are unkind? Because I know that in the history of your state in Nigeria, there was a woman, Ubi, very wicked woman.
You're very right.
Do you know about her?
Yeah.
Tell us about her.
Ladies and gentlemen, in Edo State there was a woman. She was known for her evil deeds, and this woman's name is Ubi. Even the name symbolizes evil. But she died later on. And as she died, the city began to celebrate a festival. And this festival means, it symbolizes Thanksgiving. This festival is Igwe Festival. And do you know what? On the first day of this festival, the Oba gives thanks to God, and every other person in the state gives thanks to God. And huge fire is made in all parts of the city. People they have barbecue and all sorts. And at night, I tell you, it's very interesting, I tell you. At night, men and women take this firewood into the forest. And when they drop the firewood, it symbolizes that the land has been cleansed from all evil. And they look for a leaf that is called Ewere.
Thank you, contestant number 14.
Oh,
thank you very much. Well done. Ladies and gentlemen, you've just seen our girls in their traditional attire.